If your audio sounds good in Premiere but quiet on YouTube, I'll show you how to make your sound the correct loudness every time. You can check if your video is too quiet by right-clicking on a video and selecting Stats for Nerds. The correct loudness should be 0 here. So when exporting a video, go into the Effects tab, scroll down to Loudness Normalization and enable it. Select the ITU standard here. We want the target loudness to be at -13 LUFS, tolerance 0.5 and max through peak level at -0.1. Now export the video as normal and it will be the correct loudness for YouTube. We can check it again by accessing Stats for Nerds. And as you can see, it's around 0 dB, which is perfect. What's really important to understand here is that Premiere and YouTube use different audio loudness standards. In Premiere, the max loudness is 0 decibels, but on YouTube it's higher since YouTube loudness is measured in LUFS and not decibels. So don't be scared of a number bigger than 0 here. For example, music videos are usually around +6 decibels on YouTube.